Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chantal, coming from a very hot and sticky, excuse the sweat, Bali. So last week we started predominantly on the landscaping, didn't quite finish it. So I'm gonna show you around and show you the work that was completed in the landscaping. On top of that, we've been so busy, really making progress with the villa. It's really taken shape and I really wanna finish it by next week. And I know that's a big task, there's still so much to do, but I think we can do it. I want it to be on the market by the end of the month. It's November now and I really would want to try and get some, interest out there, get it on the booking platforms to try and get it booked for over Christmas.
If you haven't done already, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press that notification bell for new video releases.
Okay, so let's just start off with a quick reminder of what the space looked like at the start of the last video. So pretty bare, very uninspiring for a Bali garden. And we got the landscapers in, they really did their thing and planted some really lush planting. Came up looking swell. And this is what it looked like when we'd finished. The plants that run alongside the pool just look a lot more lush now and just give this space a lot more energy and life. We added in a beautiful little corner section here and also painted the planter boxes in a nice vibrant white. And then at the edge of the first floor, we added in planter boxes with these cascading plants. They're gonna look so nice when they're filled out and they're thicker and more luscious. But yeah, it's gonna make such a big difference. It already does make a big difference, but I cannot wait to see it when those plants really grow. And then to the entrance, we chopped down a bit of that frangipani tree just to allow the sun to come in and to give things a chance to grow in the garden. Just looks so much more welcoming now. So because we have these plants on the first level, we had to find a way of being able to water them because we have no hose up there. And these plants need watering like every day, every other day. So the guys are doing a DIY irrigation system using these pipes and just making it a lot easier to be able to water these plants up here. You turned it on? It's on?
Okay.
It was a bit touch and go as to whether it was going to work, but it turned out really well. They did such a good job. And this whole irrigation system, even though it's really simplistic, it goes right across the span of that upstairs space. So it's going to make it a lot easier to get these plants watered. This week, the focus has very much been about getting the painting done. This place is pretty big compared to the spaces that I've done in the past. And there is so much to do in terms of painting. So I think I said in the last video I like to go neutral, but I also want to go bold. So I've picked this black wall, this black paint for a couple of the rooms, one of the bedrooms and the living space. Just one wall, just to add some drama, some boldness. And I'm going to have some art that is going to complement that black wall and make it pop. And this is what the bedroom is looking like. This room has all been painted, so all the rest of the rooms are off-white, natural white, and then we have that black. And then in one of the bedrooms, I have decided to change my mind and I'm going with like a burnt orange colour on this back wall. Once I can see that burnt orange wall though, the furniture looked a bit out of place and I thought it would look so much better if it was painted black. Would really pop with that orange. And even though I vowed that I wasn't going to pick up a paintbrush in this project, here we are. Just can't help myself.
And even the furniture.
I also painted the bedside tables in black just so it matched, and this is what it's looking like.
Which has been restored to keep that old glam style.
This TV stand here was from the living space upstairs in that open area, and I really was not a fan of it, but we are designing for profit, so it means that every penny counts. And if we can alter something or elevate it whilst keeping it to reduce those costs, then that's what we're going to do. The other thing that we did, upcycle project this week, was to repaint these dining chairs. Also got the guys to repaint the kitchen cabinets and this island here. So for this space we have gone with a gloss, and I'm happy with that because it means that the cabinets can be wiped down. They're more hardy with a gloss paint, and so more durable, much better fit for kitchen and a space that's going to be constantly be wiped and cleaned. One of the beautiful things about this villa is the size of the walls. So in the bedrooms, the walls are probably about 3.5 meters. And I decided to get my friend, the artist, Diddy, to come back and do a mural on this wall. Diddy did a massive mural on another villa that I worked on, leading up to the rooftop, which was really comprehensive, detailed, but for this one I wanted something really minimal. I wanted something that represented the Balinese culture and their tradition of dance, but in a really simplistic, minimal way, and he definitely delivered. This is what it looks like, and it's pretty big. It takes up the majority of the space on the wall, which is what I wanted, but it's also not overly busy. In the bathrooms, I asked Diddy to just add some features to the walls because they were pretty bare, and I pretty much told him the direction I wanted, but then I left it up to him, and he did an amazing job. So there's 3 bathrooms in this villa, and he did a similar but different design in each of them. So this is the first bathroom. The second bathroom, and the third bathroom. We've left this wall here because on this ledge I'm going to have a planter box filled with upright plants. Deliveries to my villas are normally drama-filled events, and this is no different. So I've ordered 2 huge mirrors because I have so much wall space to fill in the bedrooms that I decided to go with oversized mirrors, but I didn't really think about the logistics. Well, why would I? It always works out. But let's just say getting it in the house, getting it in the villa and up the stairs was nerve-wracking. It's been full on, but so happy with the progress that we've made this week. It's really taking shape. I'm loving it. I can see the vision coming to life, and yeah, within the next week I'll be finished.
Alright, that's a wrap for today. So don't forget to keep posted of when the next videos are coming out, and let me know in the comments below what you're thinking of the reno so far. Thanks for watching, and until next time, catch you soon.